Most leaders think the biggest risk is making the wrong move. But in business, the real danger is often doing nothing. Today, let's talk about the true cost of inaction and why staying put might be your most expensive decision. Imagine getting an invoice every day that you never see. That's the hidden cost of inaction. Every hour your team spends on outdated manual processes is money walking out the door. Take a simple example. If your sales team is still using spreadsheets instead of a proper CRM, they might lose 2 hours a week chasing data. For a 10-person team, that's almost a full person month every year, time you could have spent closing deals. Then there's employee burnout. When people fight the same broken system day after day, they get tired. Good people start leaving. Replacing them costs time, money, and knowledge. The quiet drain on your best talent adds up fast. And don't forget market share. While you're thinking about it, your competitor is launching the new feature or entering the new channel. Customers don't wait. They move to whoever solves their problem today. Now let's look at how small problems grow. A minor inefficiency today seems harmless. Maybe a slow approval process or an old piece of software everyone complains about. But over 12 months, it becomes baked into how you work. What starts as a tiny crack turns into a structural failure. Projects run late. Customers get frustrated. Teams work around the problem instead of fixing it. Suddenly, your whole operation feels heavy and slow compared to newer, leaner players. A classic case, companies that stuck with old retail models while online shopping grew, or manufacturers who delayed automation while rivals cut costs and improved quality. The gap didn't appear overnight. It widened steadily. Our brains make this even harder. We prefer the safety of the familiar. Inaction feels like low risk because nothing changes today. Action feels risky because we might make a mistake. This is normal human wiring, not bad leadership. But here's how smart leaders reframe it. They look at the data. What is the real cost of keeping things as they are for another year? Run the numbers on lost revenue, higher turnover, or slower growth. Suddenly, action starts looking like the safer choice. Ask simple questions. What opportunity are we missing by waiting? What problem will be twice as expensive in 6 months? Use real numbers from your own business. Data beats gut feeling every time. The bottom line is clear. In today's market, standing still is moving backwards. The cost of inaction is real, measurable, and growing. The leaders who succeed are the ones who spot the hidden invoice early and choose to act before the problem inflates. Start small if you need to. Fix one process. Test one new tool. Make one decision today. The risk of doing nothing is almost always higher than the risk of thoughtful action.